here we have the wonderful families of the periodic table. First of all, our first group will be the alkali metals. The alkali metals have one valence electron, and they're shiny and they never are found as free elements in nature. They're always bonded with another element. The next, we have alkaline earth metals. The alkaline earth metals have two valence electrons, and they're never found uncombined in nature. Next, we have the transition metals. The transition metals have 1 to 2 valence electrons, and they're usually brightly colored or are used to color paints. They form bonds with other atoms, and they have high melting and boiling points. Next, we have the boron family. Boron family has 3 valence electrons, and boron is a metalloid and the rest are metals. It includes the most abundant metal in Earth's crust, which is aluminum. Next, we have the carbon family. The carbon family has 4 valence electrons, and it includes a nonmetal, carbon, metalloids, and metals. Next, we have the nitrogen family. The nitrogen family has 5 valence electrons, and they tend to share electrons when they bond. It makes up 78% of the atmosphere. Next, we have the oxygen family. The oxygen family has 6 valence electrons. Oxygen is the most abundant element and is very active. Halogens, 7 valence electrons. They're the most reactive nonmetals, and they're never found in nature. Next, we have the noble gases. Noble gases have 8 valence electrons, and they're extremely unreactive. They're full, they're inert. Okay, so here, as you can see, hydrogen, it's in a group of its own. It's very reactive, but it's in its own group because it's a nonmetal, and it's right above the first group, which are alkali metals. Down here, we have the actinide and lanthanide series. They are called the rare earth elements, and many of them are extremely unstable and exist for mere seconds in the lab. Alright, so, to our left here, as you can tell, all of these are metals. See this little line right here? Okay, well, all the ones that touch are called metalloids, and they have characteristics of both metals and nonmetals. That includes boron, silicon, arsenic, germanium, antimony, tellurium, polonium, and acetylene. Those are our metalloids. To the right here, we have nonmetals. So metals on the left side are shiny, malleable, ductile, good conductors. Nonmetals on the right side are dull, brittle, non-conductors, and metalloids have characteristics of both. They're semiconductors. Okay, so as you can see, this is our periodic table. Thank you for watching.